Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I really hope you're doing amazing today considering जो बाहर चल रहा है. And I really hope that you won't kill me after watching today's video. For those of you who guessed it right, yes, it's gonna be a food video and yes, it's gonna have delicious recipes. But before you start thinking of ways to kill me, I just want to tell you that I know lockdown चल रहा है and we can't exactly go out and eat. Which is why in today's video we're gonna use Cornitos DIY kit. Being a content creator definitely has its pros and cons. अब शूट पे इतनी मेहनत करने के बाद भी घर आकर मैं 1 घंटा और स्पेंड करूँ खाना बनाने के लिए, ना बाबा ना, मुझे नहीं करना. सो इमेजिन माई एक्साइटमेंट व्हेन आई केम अक्रॉस दीज DIY किट्स जिनके 3 फ्लेवर्स हैं, हरा भरा कबाब, शम्मी कबाब एंड फलाफल रैप. टॉर्टिया रैप्स, सालसा डिप्स, premix for the kebabs and the seasoning, everything comes in the same box and you can add veggies of your choice. हर किट में 6 रैप्स होते हैं विच कैन बी मेड अंडर 10 minutes यूजिंग द इंस्ट्रक्शंस प्रोवाइडेड ऑन ऑल द बॉक्सेस. जिन्हें बहुत ज़्यादा आलस आता है मेरी तरह या कुकिंग नहीं आती, इवन वो भी ये बनाना ट्राई कर सकते हैं बिकॉज ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज फॉलो अ फ्यू सिंपल स्टेप्स एंड देयर यू हैव इट, दीज डिलिशियस रैप्स इन अंडर 10 minutes. बिफोर मूविंग फॉरवर्ड मैं पहले बता रही हूँ सारा सामान लेकर रखना बिकॉज आई नो फॉर अ फैक्ट कुछ ना कुछ कोई ना कोई भूलेगा. Alright, so let's start by taking the premix in a plate. Add lukewarm water and knead it. गूंदते वक्त याद रखें हमें इस पे अपना लाइफ का गुस्सा नहीं निकालना है बिकॉज अगर ये खराब हो गया तो आपको भूखा रहना पड़ेगा. लेट इट सिट फॉर अप्रोक्सीमेटली 5 minutes एंड देन इसके कबाब बना लीजिए. देन यू हैव टू फ्राई देम इन हॉट ऑयल और फॉर अ हेल्दी ऑप्शन यू कैन इवन एयर फ्राई और सॉटे द कबाब्स. इसके बाद आते हैं हमारे टॉर्टिया रैप्स. To prepare the tortilla wraps, all you have to do is heat them on a pan for 15 seconds on both the sides and remove it. And if you're clumsy like me, take my advice and involve your mom. And even in frying the kebabs because honestly, we don't want burnt marks on our hands. Take it from me, बहुत ज़्यादा दर्द करते हैं वो. And I'm pretty sure you don't want that. Once you're done with that, now comes the veggies. इसमें आपको जो भी पसंद है आप ले सकते हो. Here I'm gonna take cabbage and 3 different types of capsicum. You guys can even add onions, tomatoes, carrots, anything. You can even add रात की बची हुई सब्जी because honestly, let's admit it, रात की बची हुई सब्जी makes everything taste 10 times better. Now comes the kebabs. Take 3 of them and place them on top of the veggies in the center. Now this step is optional. Here I'm gonna be adding pudine की चटनी that my mom made and hot and sweet tomato chili sauce from Maggi to make it थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा spicy. If you don't like it spicy, you can just add the salsa dip that we get inside the box. It will make the wrap equally delicious. Then comes the seasoning. एक में इतना डाल देना कि बाकियों के लिए बचे ही ना. And lastly, all you have to do is top it off with ढेर सारा हरा धनिया for the flavor and हल्की सी decoration. Your plate should somewhat look like this once you're done. Now all there's left to do is roll it tightly, secure it with a toothpick, apply a little olive oil and grill it in a preheated griller. Cook it well on all sides and cut it into 2 and serve. This is your sign to try it out right now and tell me in the comments below how much you liked it. In our next video, we are going to be making falafel wrap or Cornitos DIY kit. इसको बनाने के लिए भी हम सेम स्टेप्स ही फॉलो करेंगे बट विद अ छोटू सा ट्विस्ट. हरा भरा कबाब रैप की तरह ही आप इसका प्रीमिक्स एक प्लेट में ले लेंगे. देन उसमें हम 1 कप लूकवार्म वाटर मिलाएंगे और उसको गूंद लेंगे. गूंदने के बाद वी नीडेड टू लेट इट रेस्ट फॉर 5 minutes एंड उसके बाद हम उसके कबाब बना लेंगे. वी नीड टू फ्राई दीज कबाब जस्ट लाइक बिफोर इन हॉट ऑयल टिल द टाइम दे आर क्रिस्प एंड ब्राउन. You can even air fry or saute the kebabs for an healthy option. Hopefully most of you remember the next step from before. And for those of you who guessed it right, yes, it's time to bring out our tortilla wraps. And here comes the twist. We don't have to heat the wrap like we did for Hara Bhara kebabs. In this, we'll be trying the famous TikTok tortilla wrap hack. So the idea is very simple. Instead of layering all our ingredients in one big pile atop a tortilla, we put each one in its own quadrant, means we can fold the 4 corners on top of each other to create one perfectly mess-free triangular tortilla in practically 0 time. So we're gonna start by making a slit from the middle of the tortilla to one of its edges. इसके बाद we are gonna add something creamy or saucy to 2 of its quarters and then we're gonna add the veggies on top of them. Here I added red chili sauce and green chili sauce, and for vegetables I took green capsicum and tomatoes. You can add whichever vegetable you like instead of these. Next comes the falafel kebab. You have to place 1 kebab on any one of the quadrant and then add halka sa green sauce on top of it, or you can add tomato sauce if you don't like that much mirchi. Now we're gonna add Domino's से चुराया हुआ oregano and Catch का चाट मसाला. You can even add red chili flakes if you want. Of course वो भी Domino's वाले ही थे. Now we're just gonna finish it off with some cheese. This is the glue that holds the wrap together, so I find it crucial to include it in every tortilla wrap. इसके बाद we're just gonna put हल्का सा salsa dip on the cheese and on the remaining quarter. Spread all the sauces nicely to the edges. And now we're just gonna start folding. Fold the first quarter over the second over the third, and finish it off by folding the last quarter so that we have a triangle. Now all there's left to do is cook it. You can use a regular fry pan or try it on a grill pan to get those great grill marks. Flip it over after 2 to 3 minutes to make sure your tortilla doesn't burn, and so everything gets melted and deliciously browned evenly. Make sure to grill it till the cheese comes dripping. And there you get your tasty falafel wrap. Now all you have to do is enjoy them, and don't forget to send dhir sari photos to your friends to make them jealous. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment sections below what should I do next.